school districts seem to have more confidence.
Look, like different schools, I just think that we need to push ourselves to fight harder. Because to me, I feel like a lot of them judge us just because we don't have a lot of money or something like that. They judge us because they be like, well, they don't know dropped our race, they don't know and I think that just should just motivate us to fight harder on to prove them wrong. Like just because you have a lot of money don't mean that the teachers are bad. Just because we have a lot of money, just because our books is all broke up don't mean that we can't learn nothing out of them. I just think that should just motivate us to fight harder.
So, again, we're coming back to motivation. I want to touch on what is the way that the community, not necessarily your parents, not even necessarily the people in your school, but how can the community encourage you guys to be successful, not drop out, graduate?
Actually try to help out the school district. Because some people, they just drive around the neighborhood, look at the schools, don't say anything about it. Just because the school is not really bad, it's the people, some people around the school. You have to actually try to help out.
And I think that the community should do more volunteer of like groups like these, these groups are successful. So I think that if they volunteer, try to put more groups in schools, in these schools and stuff, that they would get a lot of more successful children. Because then they will see that the people that's volunteering are people that's just like them every day. So they'll be like, oh, they're trying to help us out, so maybe we can become something out of what they're trying to help us. And I think that people are listening more.
Anybody else?
Say you have career development in school. Like, be realistic. Don't like be around the bush, be realistic, let them know what obstacles they have to go through to reach this, and if they do follow these steps, what they can reach once they do, what can happen, what goals they can have, set their goals instead of, like for the school that we go to, when we first get to school, we have to set our goals. Matter of fact, we write down on a piece of paper what our goal is to do at the end of the year. And at the end of the year, we get that same piece of paper to realize if we reach that goal or not. So I feel like, and through the year, they also give us mock interviews, which they really don't have to do all high schools, but you have, they ask us what we want to do in our life, and be realistic. Have 3 options and help them reach that to them while they're in school, instead of just, push them off to the side.
Thank you for the fabulous segue. So I'm going to ask you all again what your name is, what your age is, and then what is your plan after you graduate, or what's your plan as your career? So we'll start over there.
My name is Marcel Barnes. I'm 20 years old. My plan is to have a career in construction.
My name is Maurice Gray. I'm 19, and when I get out of school, I plan on going to college to be a social worker.
My name is Shanika Kelly. I'm 16. I come on the criminal justice.
My name is Lamont Forbes. I'm 20 years old. I started college next month.
Congratulations. What do you major in?
Psychology.
So my name is Brenda Martinez. I'm 15, and my career goal is something that I actually enjoy doing with like music or literature.
My name is Sebastian Williams, I'm 22, and I started college for child psychology.
My name is Celicia Spite, and I'm 26, and I'm currently starting my enrollment at CLC for paramedics.
I'm Crystal. I'm 14, and I'm going into law, to criminal justice.
I'm Ashley, I'm 13, I want to be a pediatrician.
I'm Mary, I'm 13, and I'm going to become a teacher.
So you guys have really fabulous goals. So my question is, what do you know about them? Have you had career development? Have you learned about college? I kind of want to know. I know that you at Youth Build have had that, but the high schoolers and the middle schoolers, what do you know about college?
I
about it yet, but since I've been to most colleges in the city, I see that there's a lot of things you can do throughout college, and I want to go to accomplish what I want to do in my life.
I think college is like, you go, you take your core classes, and then the classes for the career that you have chosen, and you just, take classes for a certain amount of years to achieve, the career you want.
What do you know about college, Nico?
Well, I see college as a goal I want to reach, and a place where I can reach my most highest goals.
For everyone viewing and everyone who doesn't know, Ashley is an 8th grader, right? Mary, what are you? 6th grader. And the other students are 9th graders in high school. And at this point, there's been no college prep classes for them. There's been no secondary, this is what college is. A lot of the information that they've gotten on college has been from their participation in our Students Against Violence Everywhere group. So they've gotten it by being part of an after-school group. That's the way that they've gotten to see colleges and go on visits and learn what a master's degree is. So at this point, there's not a lot of encouragement to go to college because nobody's really told you what it is, right? For those of you in youth build, what helped you to make the decision to go to college?
Opportunity change around to change life from what it was into what you want it to be.
Did you know about college in high school?
I knew about college, it just wasn't the first thing in my mind,
Did it seem achievable?
no.
Right.
Experiencing youth build, the way I started to attend the life paintings and see myself progress, made me want to further my education and go to college.
My experience in my life made me want to go to college.
So I'm kind of wondering, what do you think that students need? When do they need to be educated on college or careers? Because I know that a lot of what I hear is kids planning to get a job, but they don't talk about careers.
I feel like 8th
Right
grade.
in high school.
I feel like 8th grade, because when you get to 8th grade, once you get ready to graduate 8th grade, you go on to the next level, which is the high school level, which means you should be starting pursuing what you want to do as soon as you get high school level, because once you get out of grammar school, ain't no more games to be played. You're maturing into an adult now, or a young adult.
I feel that we should start learning about college in 6th grade, so that we can already have an idea about what we want to be. So by the time we get to our freshman year or our second year of high school, we don't have to be like iffy about what we want to do. So that way we already know, kind of have a strong, safe idea like I want to do this.
I agree with that. You should get a mind of college.
So to the students that went to Ripon College, tell me about that process. I know you guys had to fill out a college application, write an essay in order to go on a field trip. So tell me what you got out of that experience.
We got a lot out of experience because I've never really been to a college where they told us exactly what they did. So when you took us on the field trip, I actually thought that was a good experience for me because I never been to a campus like that. It's actually pretty small, but it was actually a very good educational school.
Brenda?
Yeah, because like even if it's smaller, they have like smaller classes and you would get more attention from professors, so you could actually like understand more instead of having like a big class and then there would be more people in it and I guess you would be more distracted. I enjoyed it a lot.
Shaniqua, did you feel after your visit more prepared for college? Or more, did you understand better what you would have to go and do in the future to get into college? So my question is, should all students be going on college visits?
That's what I was gonna ask, was that but just like a small group thing, or did you like interact with the whole high school?
Only 12 students got to go.
Well,
We should, it would be better if you probably try to interact with the high school. That's what I was gonna ask, the people who attend North Chicago, like they have college career trips, you know, to visit colleges and see how they operate and how their structure is within college, because I think that would play a very good part too about, you know, how they go about to get in, what colleges would most be suitable for them, where they would like to go as far as a career. So I think that would be nice too, to just interact with the whole high school.
And I do believe there's a program that works in the high school. Unfortunately, I think that they don't get to the college part until about junior, senior year. And by then, you know, those students may not still be engaged in
And
school.
it needs to be earlier. It needs to be like right now while they're freshmen.
You guys have anything else you want to say about college or careers or?
not everybody's made for college, but, I mean, at least finish high school. But you don't wanna live, I feel you don't wanna make the same mistakes out there. You know? So, at least finish high school, and that's just let y'all know as far as people for grammar school and high school. Just at least finish high school, that way you have some type of, something under your belt, you know what I'm saying? So, because not college isn't for everybody, but if you go to college, continue to pursue it and graduate, but it's not for everybody. You know, you can still do something in life, just don't give up.
So we talked about the importance of college visits. What about, and we talked about the importance of having mentors, adults, to kind of guide you and motivate you. What other things would help you to be successful in your careers or in high school or in school? What do you need from the community?
I think, community volunteer programs.
Community outreach, you know what I'm saying? If there was something going on in the community every day, like kids was getting out of school, so we can help further the education and to help with the homework or just different programs, you know. I think it wouldn't be as much what goes on, or, you know, it would be more people completing school, or, you know, just going to school basically, you know, instead of,
I agree.
you know.
You wanna have kids, students out there smoking, drinking, they don't have them doing all that. If you have outreach programs that you can go to, find out what the students into. You know, let them, I mean, I feel like it should be just not us. It should be like a whole group of high school students from, you know, North Chicago, other high school around here, and figure out what they're trying to actually do in their life.
Like the youth group, they offer just tremendous help.
But I feel
They
once
offer
you,
help that other people don't offer in high schools.
I feel like once you start the community projects, so you can't, you gotta be consistent with it. You can't just have the one here and there, and you gotta, you know, keep it
Yeah.
consistent for everybody, you know.
Don't have any volunteers that they just come there and then they tell you that when they see you there, but then they might see you, they might ride past and see you just out there. So, because everybody has fall off sometimes. You're not gonna stay straight all your life, you know. But if they see you in the community, they just ride past, keep looking at you and don't say anything to you. You did this to me with me in this environment, this outreach class. When you see me personally, keep motivating. Don't just well, you didn't do what I told you when we was in class.
And he's right, that's the main focus between you guys in high school and elementary school. There will be obstacles. You, like you said, it's not gonna be just a straight road. But your point in your life is to stay motivated.